Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, let's talk about how to fix Snapchat SS07 error code. Complete tutorial for 2025. Now, I know this may sound frustrating. This is going to be an error code. So before we get started, I hope you click the subscribe button and the like button. It really helps me out. So let's get started for this one. So as you can see right here, I'm currently inside my phone, right? So I'm going to show you what kind of error is SS07. It should be looking like this. And as you can see, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Support code SS07. So this is going to be a bit frustrating. I know I can feel that one. Now, if I open up Snapchat support, you can see right here that SS07 error mainly causes if there's going to be another more than one account logged into your device. If your device has been banned, Snapchat support cannot unban it for you. So how can you access your data? So basically open your desktop, click My Data, select your data and choose the data range you'd like to install. Confirm the email and click Submit. Again guys, Snapchat cannot unban your account for you. You can do it on your own by going to your desktop to your laptop and following these 7 steps. Now, I have a way for you manually rather than doing this 7 or 8 steps. So first things first, go to settings right here. So right there, looking for general and looking for storage right here. Now look for the one, of course, that says Snapchat, right? So give me a second here, perfectly right there. So click offload application. What we're doing right now is we're clearing the cache, we're resetting Snapchat. So once you click offload application, you're gonna be good to go. And basically, once that's done, I want you right now to go to VPN. Simply looking for right there, if there's gonna be right here, I think. I'm just gonna manually search it up. So VPN right here helps you make sure that your device isn't connected to any third network. So make sure this is not connected. And basically those are the 2 things I can share with you for today. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.